Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to draw in Microsoft Word document. So open Microsoft Word and click on this Draw tab. So here you will see these all options to draw. So here select any pen and here you can change pen size and color. So to draw, just move your pen. So you can draw any design and style what you like here. And you can add some more colors. So this way you can draw. If you don't have this option, so another way you can draw insert, then shape, and here select this line. Now here you can draw like this. So thanks for watching guys. Comment this video useful for you.